Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Putty. Open the Chrome and type Putty download, enter. Then in the first result you can see putty.org. Click on this option and click on here. Here you can see MSI Windows installer. Based on your system requirement you have to download. So my system is Windows 64-bit, so I am going to download this option. And if you have 32-bit, then you have to download this option. Double click on this. So click on next and next, install. And click on finish. So now you can see by clicking Windows button and type Putty. So here you can see, double click on this. So this is the Putty, and in the next video I will show you how to connect AWS EC2 instance using the Putty. So this is the end of the video.